In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset an object's coordinates in Cinema 4D. If your model has drifted off somewhere in your scene, or its rotation and scale are getting in the way, resetting the transform is the quickest way to get back to a clean starting point. This process brings the object's position and rotation back to 0, and its scale back to 1 without changing the actual geometry. Start by selecting the object you want to reset. The easiest way is in the Object Manager on the right side of the interface. Click the object so it's highlighted. Take a second to confirm you've picked the correct one, especially if your scene has many nested items. You'll know it's selected when its properties appear in the Attributes area, and its transform values are visible in the Coordinates section. Now, look for the Reset Transform command. You can access it in two common places. First, in the top menu bar, open the Tools menu and choose Reset Transform. This is the most straightforward option, and it applies immediately to the selected object. When you trigger it, you'll see the position and rotation fields snap to 0, and scale values return to 1. The second place to find it is within the Coordinates Manager. This panel shows the object's precise position, scale, and rotation values, and also provides a reset transform control. Using it there gives you visual confirmation of the values before and after the reset, which can be helpful if you're double-checking what's about to change. Once you reset, glance at your viewport. The object may jump to the world origin, or if it's a child of another object, it will reset relative to its parent's origin. That's expected behavior and a good thing to keep in mind when organizing hierarchies. If the result isn't what you intended, simply undo and adjust your selection or parenting before trying again. A quick tip: if you're aligning or reorienting multiple items in a scene, it can be helpful to reset transforms on one reference object first, then reposition others around it. Also remember that resetting transforms doesn't alter the mesh. It only updates the object's position, rotation, and scale values. If you need to revert, use undo to step back instantly, and that's all there is to it. Select your object, use Reset Transform from the Tools menu or the Coordinates Manager, and you're back to a clean, predictable starting point in just a click.